found a carcass. Okay. I love that my kids would rather play and search.
Found a little shell.
Cool.
Found a worm.
In this part of the park. This is a playground. What you got? Yeah.
It's a worm.
Yep. Right in the middle of town. Hello, Central Oregon. No pavement. No plastic slides. We'll probably do that later. Creek beds. Trees. Creatures. Good stuff. There's the trail. And there's off the trail. Where are you going? Are we going, Veronica? Exploring the wild vegetation. Exploring off trail. Veronica, that's not the way. In the dirt. And what are you exploring in the dry creek bed? Cattails.
Huh?
Cattails.
Cattails where? Huh? Oh. Ah!
Come on.
I want one.
For...
For me to bring home so Daddy.
Okay.
Have any pocket knives?
I'm not giving you a knife.
I've done that once off.
Eventually we'll make it back to the road. I'm not sure when. This is right. Because even when we get there, Sammers. Hey, Sam Sam. We have our local artist, Sam Sam. What is it? Uh-oh. Sister drama. So what's it feel like?
Snot.
I asked you because I don't want to feel it.
It feels like flowers.
Uh-huh. So what are you going to do with it?
Like my coat hole.
You're going to carry that all the way home?
Yeah. I'm going to take some of that snow stuff off. I'm going to put it on Dad's pillow.
Ew, I don't think that would be a good idea. So, how did you manage to get it off without a knife?
Why are you... okay. So I had to look over everything and I had to twist it. This part's kind of broken. So if you twist this... Hello! Hi! Oh, that's cool. So, if you twist this, it becomes weaker and weaker and then it collapses. But it didn't.
So you managed even without the tools that you wanted?
No, all I had to do is twist it a ton, and then I pull my amazing.
Super strength.
Yeah.
Right on. I think that's too... That's not a climbing tree, honey.
What do you think of tickling Dad, though?
I'm betting you're not going to carry that all the way home.
I will.
See? Can you get down, please?
Cherries.
Yeah, no. Get down.
Cherries.
Get down.
Wait, get down, get down, get down, get down. Get down.
You see?
I'm thirsty, Mommy. Please. I love cherries.
It is. Very good. It is a cherry tree. But that doesn't mean you can climb it either. And we finally make it out of the woods. We're in our city woods. And onto sidewalk, bricks, and off to the park. Our adventures. We made it. We survived. Another trail. Another day. Easy mom hikes with little kids. It's always good. Get out and enjoy the sunshine. And play video games later. Right, baby?
What?